Now we come to exercise 7.3. Question number 1 from exercise 7.3. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. Now we will write in the form of the formula, that is P. We have taken one point P, Q and R. P x1 y1 is P2 3. Q x2 y2 is Q minus 1 0. R x3 y3 is R2 minus 4. It is x3 comma y. Now area of triangle PQR will be given by the formula half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Once again, half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now put the values on the place of x1, y2, y3, x2, y3, y1, means we are to put all the values from here. You can see here x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is minus 1, y2 is 0, x3 is 2 and y3 is minus 4. Now we have put all the values here and then we solve these. After solving this we get half of 8 plus 7 plus 6. It becomes to be half of 21, that is 21 by 2, that is 10.5 square units. Now this is question number 1 from exercise 7.3. Now we come to question number 2. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. See here the points are given 7, minus 2, 5, 1 and 3k. Because these points are collinear, therefore when we find the area of triangle from these coordinates, that will be equal to 0. Because points are given to be collinear, so area of triangle is 0. Now again P x1 y1 is 7 minus 2, x2 y2 5 1, x3 y3 3k. We again apply the formula to find the area of triangle half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Then we put it equal to 0 because the area is 0 because the points are collinear. Now we put the values of x1 y1 x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. We put all the values in this equation and after solving this we get here half of 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 3 equal to 0. Now we will solve this. We have got half of 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we will solve this. After solving this we get k is equal to 4.